and made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl born in June. How you doing or whatever? So guys, I am doing my 15 paycheck budget. It's been so long, I feel like, and I still have not completed, so I had to come on here and give you guys, you know, the good. So we are going to go through my July 15th budget and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see what's up. And that is the top of our budget. I am going to open this actually so that I have a smooth area to write on. We're gonna do this way. There we go. Okay, so this is my 15 July paycheck, so July 2020. For this, in the income portion, I only have one income, which is just my paycheck. I have one income, you guys, but I just break it up into different allotments, and so that's what that is. I'm going to be using my Pilot G2 in purple because I am taking the money out of my account. Majority of this anyways, I'm going to be writing it in purple, and for that I am getting this paycheck $778, and so green is, this is my final amount, and so I will be getting $778. This really ain't gonna be that, you know, that long, guys, because it's only one and two things your girl got, you know, boom bada bang, she good, she done, she happy. So we're gonna move right along. We're gonna move into bills. There's two things that I have in bill. The first is McCord Air Force Base, which you guys know is the base I'm trying to get to after I leave here in Korea. I'm trying to get to McCord Air Force Base. And then the next thing is my father that lives in Jamaica. If you guys don't know, I am supporting him currently because he's unable to work. You know, he got injured, and with coronavirus, you know, things happen. So those are my two bills for the month. I am going to be putting $25. Ooh, that's wrong. I'm going to be writing it in light blue actually, guys. So let me wipe this out. Come on, where you at? Where you at? There you go. All right. So I'm gonna be putting this in light blue. So I'm gonna put $25 for McCord Air Force Base, and then for my dad in Jamaica, it's gonna be $101.50. If you guys don't know, I've used like 3 different colors already, so let me just keep you up to date. If you're a new subscriber or you're a new participant to my channel, I usually write my budgets in 3 colors: purple, green, and light blue. Light blue are automatic transfers between bank accounts. Green is just what I have left after I have gone through each of the categories. So once I'm done with bills, you guys will see that I put leftovers in green, which is the same thing I did with my paycheck here. That was in purple, and then in green I put the final amount here, and then purple is money that is being taken out of my account. So these 3 pens tell me exactly what I did for the month with my money. So yeah, and then this blue pen, which is the RSVP Pentel, is just my, this is my bills for the month, and that's what I use this for. So let's calculate. So my total for bills is $101.50 plus 25, excuse me, which is $126.50. So I will write this amount in purple. I do all bills in purple. So this bill amount, let me bring you guys down a little bit. This bill amount will be $126.50, and then in green I would write what is left over, which is the $778 minus $126.50, which is $651.50, and that's what we have left. So I'm gonna write that in green. So we have $51.50. Cool beans. Okay, now we're gonna move down to the envelopes portion, which is down here. Now my 15 paycheck, I do not normally put in my envelopes. I usually do it on my first. I'm looking to change around my budget next month, guys. So it's a whole lot of. So envelopes. My envelopes, I have no envelopes in here. So we're gonna skip this portion because I'm not putting anything in there. And we are going to move on to sinking funds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my leftover amount from this column into my sinking funds. So this is going to be a total of $651.50. And for sinking funds, I have, oh, let me put you guys center. I have 3 different things I'm doing for sinking funds. The first is car maintenance. I always put something toward car maintenance because you never know what might happen, y'all. And I have a 2005 car, so your girl needs to be prepared. Then I have something for miscellaneous because what? Something always happened that you didn't think was gonna happen, so it happened and now here you are. So I have miscellaneous. And then the last thing I have is Jamaica. So normally I don't put money towards Jamaica, but my family and I that live overseas in the United States, Canada, is helping my family that lives in Jamaica. Because if you don't know, guys, I'm Jamaican and I consider my country a third world country, except that it's not, because that's tourism. Like if Jamaica was not so popular, like it would literally be a third world country to me personally, because I've lived there and I understand what's happening and I understand like how the environment is. So it's really hard to find like jobs and stuff down there, and you know, it's just difficult. And like seeing my mom go through that, I understand the struggle of living in Jamaica. So we're helping out a couple of my family members down there, so that's why I have money under Jamaica, because usually I don't. So but anyways, these money are coming out of my bank account. So for car maintenance, we are taking out $25. For miscellaneous, we are taking out our usual $40. And then for Jamaica, we are actually taking out $43. So let's calculate this. So the $25 plus the 40 plus the 43, that is $108. So my sinking fund total is 108. And so this is 651.50 minus 108. And that left me with a total of 543.50. Okay, so now we move on to extra debt. And if you guys don't know, your girl doesn't owe anybody. She is debt free, like debt free. And so she doesn't owe anyone. So I don't put anything towards extra debt, period, at all. So we are gonna move down to extra savings. And so we are gonna move our $543.50 that is remaining down here. And in this section, I have 3 things actually. I have my account buffer, which is my main account that I use for spending, which is my native federal account. Then I have savings. And then I have the saving challenge, which is my $5 and $10 challenge. And so I am going to be using my light blue pen because these are going to be transfers. For my account buffer, this is actually going to stay right in the account. It won't be transferring to anything, but blue always tells me that it's being transferred or it stayed in my account, so this helps. Then for savings, I am doing $3.50, which is just going to be transferred to another account in my account. And the reason I'm doing this is because I just don't like having, you know, I like my money even. Let's just say that I like my money even. And so I'm gonna transfer this $3.50 to the account. And then last for the saving challenge is $5.15. And so if we calculate all of these, so 25 plus $3.50 plus $5.15, $5.43.50. So we have a total of $5.43.50. And so that has us with a leftover of 0. And so total income minus all the categories is 0. And that is basically my budget for July, guys. That is basically it, my budget for July. So now what I'm going to do, since I've completed my budget, I am now going to complete my cash envelope breakdown. Okay, y'all, so I don't even want to lie to y'all. This is gonna be a quick cash stuffing because I'm only cash stuffing 3 envelopes, and that is Jamaica, car maintenance, and miscellaneous. This is honestly really quick because most of my money for my 15 paycheck goes towards my saving challenge, so I really don't be bothering to divvy it out to different places because I've paid all my bills already. So this is gonna be like super quick, super easy, and I've already put my saving challenge in the coins for those in the jar for those. So if you actually want to see how much I'm saving on my saving challenge, I'm gonna put it up in the link up here in this one, or on, well, over there or over here, I don't remember which one, but it's gonna be on one of the screens up here. So just to let you guys know, if you want to see how much I'm actually doing on my saving challenge, click the link in whichever section it is. But yeah, for Jamaica, I am putting in $43. So that was a 20, a 10, 2 5, and my 3 1s that I have. So like I said, this is gonna be quick and easy. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. And like I said, my family in Jamaica, they can't afford to buy some of the stuff that I can afford to buy here, and so this is just to help them out. And so I've budgeted in my budget to actually put money in there so I can give extra towards, you know, them and be able to assist. So that is what this money is for. I've actually already sent the money to my dad. He hasn't picked it up yet, so I don't know. But I've actually sent the money to my dad already, and I've actually transferred everything by the time you guys see this video. So yeah, car maintenance gets $25, and that takes care of these 2. And so car maintenance now will have $50. And y'all, like I said in my last video, I freaking bought, I had to get my brakes corrected, and I had to get an oil change because it had been 6 months, I think, since my last oil change. It wasn't the distance, but it was the length. And because I have an old car, I didn't want to take the chance, so I made sure I got myself an oil change, and so that just wiped out car maintenance. And then miscellaneous is getting the $40 that's remaining. And so miscellaneous now, ooh, miscellaneous has $6. Like, it's been so much. Let me tell you, if y'all thought June was bad, July was just ghetto. But I put this $4 in here because miscellaneous needed to get filled some more, obviously, because like when y'all see my expense, y'all will understand. Like, I would just Guys, I overspent. I know I already overspent, and you guys are hearing it first. Even before the end of the month, when you guys see the 4th paycheck update, you guys are, you know, are just gonna hear it, sis. Like, I definitely overspent. And so, yeah, like, it's rough, but you know, things happen. I'm not gonna berate myself. Of course I feel bad for overspending, but things happen, and you know, we just learn and get better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Or is it down here? I think it's down here. Or subscribe to the channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I'm super excited, super excited. And thanks. I really have enjoyed doing these videos, and I told myself, I was like, sis, you ever make your video yet? Rude, just rude. And so I definitely had to make this video for you guys. So anyways, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.